Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lesson we're going to discuss comments in JavaScript. So comments are used in JavaScript not only because programming in general can be highly collaborative, but it's also useful even to explain parts of your own code to yourself and make it more readable. So there's two ways to create comments in JavaScript. There are the single line comments, which is just basically a comment on one line. And then there's the multi-line comments, which are comments that can span over a number of lines. So to create a single line comment, it's very simple. All we need to do is add 2 forward slashes before the comment. This is a comment. As you can see in the console, it's grayed out as opposed to the more white or purple other colors that are visible. Whereas in the text editors, like VS Code, usually they come up as a green color. Now, to execute a multi-line, we add 1 forward slash and then an asterisk to begin the multi-line comment. Then we type in our comment. We can also add a comment on the next line. And then to close the multi-line comment, we do the reverse. So we do the asterisk and then the forward slash. And you can see there that this is now grayed out. So basically, when we insert a comment inside our code, the browser doesn't compile or it doesn't read our comments and execute it as part of our code. Instead, it just overlooks it and continues on with the next line that is outside of any comments. So if we take a look, for example, we write some code, we could do a single line comment. This is a single line comment. Then we can console.log. This is a single line comment. Now right now, this will get logged to the console, so you can see this is a single line comment. Now if we repeat that again, I'll just delete all this here. Single line comment. This is the previous console log we did. If I put this as a single line comment, we press enter, nothing gets logged to the console. And it's the same with the multi-line comment. So that's all for comments, which is pretty straightforward. I'll see you in the next lesson.